United Democratic Party (UDP) today announced a second list of the party candidates for the coming assembly polls in the state. UDP General Secretary Jemino Mautor made the announcement of the second list after the meeting of the State Election Committee held at the party office. The two names featured in the second list include former MLA John Leslie K. Sangma, who will be contesting against Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma from South Tura, and Pilne A. Sangma from North Tura. It may be mentioned that the party had announced the candidates for the 32 seats in the first list, including 7 from Garo Hills region.
The State Election Committee sat and decided to field one of the ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslie Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pilne Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pilne Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency.